Hey guys, Jason from White Rose Hobbies here. So this year for the Toys for Tots event, we're going to be giving away this pretty sweet SCX10 Pro from Axial. This is one of their newest crawlers. Pretty much a full capable comp trail rig. So have a guy going to be painting the body for us. So basically we're going to be giving this away. You're going to have chances to buy some raffle tickets at the shop, and I think the day of the event, but we will be giving it away the day of the event, which is in November. Not too sure of the date yet, but we're getting that all worked out. We're going to post it here soon. With this build, I'm going to be doing some Team Garage Hack wheels, so thanks for Team Garage Hack. Basically, I'm just going to build it as a slider. The tires I'm going to be using are going to be pit bulls, because not everybody's probably going to want it as a comp truck. You know, some people might want to run it as a trail truck, so just going to go with pit bulls on this build. I am going to do a couple different videos of me building this truck, from bag aid till it's done, and then I'll put the final video up and everything. So just stay tuned, and we'll get this thing built for you, and good luck on winning it.